Hi students, let us continue the chapter 12 Ratio and Proportion for 6th standard students. Today we are learning unitary method. Unitary method means if we find the quantity of 1 unit or price of 1 unit, then find the quantity of the required quantity. Let us take an example. If the cost of 6 cans of juice is rupees 210, then what will be the cost of 4 cans of juice? Here, cost of 6 cans is given and we have to find the cost of 4 cans of juice. First, we have to find the cost of 1 can of juice from 6 cans of juice. How will you find the price of 1 can of juice? We have to divide this cost of 6 cans of juice by 6. We get the cost of 1 can of juice, and then we multiply the cost of 1 can of juice by 4. We get the cost of 4 cans of juice. Okay. First, cost of 6 cans of juice. 6 cans of juice is equal to rupees 210. Then cost of 1 can of juice is equal to 210 divided by rupees 210 divided by 6. 21, 3 times. 3 into 6, 18. Remainder 3, 8, 0, 30. 5 times. 5 times 6 is 30. Then the cost of 1 can of juice is rupees 35. Now we can find the cost of 4 cans of juice. Cost of 4 cans of juice is equal to rupees 35 into 4. 35 into 4. 5 into 4, 20. 5 into 4 into 3, 12. 12 plus 2, 48. That's equal to rupees 140 is the price of 4 cans of juice. Now another question. The weight of 72 books is 9 kilogram. What is the weight of 40 such books? Weight of 72 books is equal to 9 kilogram. Then weight of 1 book is equal to 9 by 72. Then weight of 40 books is equal to, you did not simplify this 9 by 72. Weight of 1 book is 9 by 72 into 40. 9 into 8, 72. 9 into 1, 9. Then 40 by 8 is equal to 5. 5 into 8 is 40. Now we get that the weight of 40 books is 5 kilogram. First we have to find the weight of 1 book by dividing 9 by 72. Then multiply the 9 by 72 with 40. We get the weight of 40 books. Now another question. Anish made 42 runs in 6 hours and Anup made 63 runs in 7 hours. Who made more runs per hour? Number of runs made by Anish in 1 hour is equal to 6 by 42 by 6. That's equal to 7. Next, number of runs made by Manu in 1 hour is equal to 63 by 7. That's equal to 9. So, Anu made more runs per hour. Next question. A truck requires 108 liter of diesel for covering a distance of 594 kilometers. How much diesel will be required by the truck to cover 1650 kilometers? This 108 liter petrol required for 594 kilometers. Quantity of diesel required for covering 1 kilometer. First we have to find the quantity of diesel required to cover 1 kilometer is equal to 108 divided by 594. Then quantity of diesel required to cover 1650 kilometer is equal to 1650 kilometer is equal to 1650 into 108 divided by 592. Let us cancel 108 divided by 54 is equal to 2. Then 594 divided by 54 is equal to 11. Okay, 2 by 11. Let us divide this 1650 divided by 11 is 150 into 2 is equal to 150 into 2 is equal to 300. Then quantity of diesel required to cover 1650 kilometer is 300 liters. Okay, this chapter is over. Thank you.